Good morning, folks. This is Salmon. This is my second day at Alaska. I drove to Palmer, Alaska, and at Nick's Lodging, a very unique type of lodging where you get individual cabins, and also they have helicopter tours as well right in the lodge. Beautiful scenery with the backdrop of a beautiful mountain. So they gave me cabin number 11, so let me find out. Go to my cabin. I just checked in. They said my cabin is clean, so I could check in early. Again, all mountains all around us. Beautiful. Okay, this is my cabin number 11. So let's go in. All right, let's go in. A beautiful interior with have a heater, television, nice arrangement, bathroom with a full shower, so you can see, very nice. All right, and this is the view from the balcony of my private cabin, and the prices were very reasonable. Okay, folks, I'm in Palmer, Alaska, outskirts of Anchorage. I thought I'll try my luck at this creek, and it's raining, so I got my first red salmon. They're out of beauty. So it's raining too much, so I'm gonna come back early in the morning. That's what the local told me to come back. Okay, this new cabin, I don't have a kitchenette, so I just have a microwave oven and fridge. So as you can see, I filleted the red salmon. I mean, it's the brightest color that you could ever see. I mean, the camera is not doing it justice. So I made some into small sushi pieces, which I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. The rest I'm gonna seal it and freeze it for later. I do have a small fridge and freezer here, which they provided. Okay, I'm at a reindeer farm where they have reindeer, muskox, and a few other Alaskan critters. Well, not critters, animals, giant animals. And as you can see, it's a large farm. It's a bit chilly and very windy here today, so I don't think I'll be taking that tour. I'd rather go fishing. But what I'm going to do is, there's this store here known as Dasher Dogs. They sell reindeer dogs, hot dogs. So I think I have one of them because I never had reindeer before. Let's see how that tastes. Just waiting for that. The backdrop against the mountain is so beautiful. I mean, the scenery here since I landed in Alaska was extremely nice. Okay, here we have the reindeer hot dog. Looks great. I think I'm gonna try it. It has ketchup, mayonnaise, onion, pickles, and jalapenos.